Okay guys, Mossy5734 back with some unboxings of some rare Kyosho Mini Z's, guys, and these are from all over the world. I've got some stuff from Spain, some stuff from the UK, Japan, China, France I think, and my other box from Japan. So all that stuff there was from Japan, guys, and this is my other stuff from Japan. So I'm just going to unbox this stuff now, guys, and this is from a seller, cool guy, Takahiro. On eBay, he's called mu_tech_Japan, and he's got some cool stuff, man. He's got some cool stuff, and I like bartering with him. So yeah, I mean, some of these shells I wasn't really that interested in, but it was the bells and whistles that came with it. So where do we start? There's two of them, but I like. Now, you don't need to tell what that is. Okay, so this is one of my favourite body shells, and I've got loads of them, absolutely loads of them, right? Why did I go for this one? Because he had the shell, and the shell looked kind of new, which wasn't really a pull factor. I haven't got this gunmetal one, but the selling point, well, I don't know if you can tell. What do you think the selling point was? Can you tell? I mean, this LMS R8 version just looks mental anyway, guys. That is probably my favourite RC shape, I mean car shape, full stop. I like other ones, but they got it right with the R8. But guys, can you tell why I bought this one? It's them alloy wheels. So just for a little bit extra, I got them mean alloy wheels. I was like, yep, I'll take that. And you know me, guys, was I done there? No. So he had another shell, and I was like, ooh, would you do me both of them? That other shell's not amazing, not new, doesn't come with alloy wheels, but it's rare. The reason being is it has, is it the Hero Aero kit? You know kits that you can buy? That you can put onto normal body shells and make them look like drift cars or GT cars. Well, he had one that had already been done, and you know that I like my Renault Megane, the old version. He had the new version with that kit on, and it looked nice, and I thought, well, that is rare, because you don't normally find cars with the kits installed on them, which is not cheap. I just bought one for a Beetle. I didn't know the Beetle GT looked crazy. I didn't like the new Beetle shape, but the Beetle GT looks nuts, man. It looks beautiful with that kind of whale tail kind of spoiler on the back and blown out arches. Yeah, it looks nice. So I'm gonna try and recreate that. I've gone out and bought the side skirts, front bumper, rear bumper, spoiler. Not cheap. You're talking about £20–30 there. So I'm gonna try and recreate what I saw. It was a Red Bull version, I think. But yeah, till this day I've not seen anyone kit one of them out. So I thought, that looks mean when it's kitted out. I'm going to have to respray it. I've already got the shell. Oh, right, he sent me some little goodies here. So, thank you. And there you can see, guys, Mu Tech. So mu_tech_Japan. And Takahiro, cool guy. What's he giving me here? What have I got here? Oh! Right, he's giving me some wide tyre short 20 short wheels. Right, if you're not sure about wheels, guys, that the lower the number, the more sticky the compound. It took me a while to figure that out. And these are all wide, which is pretty cool, because I do run wide on my rears quite a lot, because a lot of the shells that I like are the wide 98mm wheelbase ones. I'd love to know what the currency is, because that's like, is that cheap in Japan or expensive? I don't know. Okay, so this is that shell. It's in like an luminous pink. Another selling point. I just thought it looked crazy. I thought, you know what, it needs completing. It needs some carbon fibre wrapping on it. But I thought, you know what, I'm not going to get hold of that. And to get both of them for a good price would be fantastic. But not just that. It is luminous pink. Yes! Oh, that is so cool. Let's get this little bad boy out. I am happy about this. Oh, I've got wheels as well. Wheels and brake discs. Have a look, guys. Wheels and brake discs. Cool. This is the same size as the Audi, so then alloy wheels will fit on this, and I like this. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Woo. That's better than what I expected. That is much better than what I expected. Oh yeah. Diffuser on the back, blown out arch. We can see where the kit has been merged, guys. The normal Renault Megane doesn't look like that. It doesn't have the blown out fenders. Yeah, the kit version will have a lowered bumper as well. And yep, I like. That is cool. That pink is just like a fluorescent pink, like a highlighter pink. Please, so you can put light bulbs in. Oh man, that's the only down. Well, I could put light bulbs in the front because there's holes there and no real lenses there. And the back, I'm gonna have to drill it out. But that is one mean little baby. That is mean. You're gonna see that on the display stand, guys. It's gonna look nuts. I like that. I don't know about you guys, but so that's where the kit comes in, guys, because when you buy the normal car, it doesn't have any of the blown out fenders, lowered front bumper, diffuser kit on the back. You've seen them, they look stock, look rubbish. Have a look on eBay, yeah? Renault Megane. Doesn't have the scoop and all that kind of stuff. This baby is bad, and that is rare, because I have not seen another one like that. So, yep. Takahiro, thank you, man. That has exceeded my expectations. I like that. I like that. That's definitely going to be in my bids. Awesome. Awesome. Look out for that, guys, on the display stand. Cool. We've got some more cool stuff coming up. So next we'll be doing stuff from Spain, and from the UK, and China. So, yep, let's see what we got on. Okay, guys, so here we've got the Audi R8 LMS, and I believe this is the 2015 version. I've got the black and red. I had the white one when it originally came out. I remember I ordered that one from China. And this one wasn't one that I was really going to go for. This one I didn't really fancy too much, guys. But when it came as a bundle with them wheels, that just smashed it. Them wheels go with that shell so well. I mean, it's just sat low, it looks mean, so it's hugging the ground. Really, it just looks awesome. And obviously, I like my deep dish stuff, guys, and that looks totally wild. But saying that, I think them wheels will probably look good on any car. Yeah, they've definitely got that mean street racing kind of look to them. So, yep, so not one, I probably would not have bought that one. Black and red is my favourite. I bought a backup one of them, but can't go wrong, guys. I mean, it, you know, even though it didn't tickle my fancy, but with them wheels it did. It definitely did. And them wheels will get used on many other things as well. And obviously it came with the pink, highlighter pink, illuminous pink Renault Megane trophy shell. And I liked the old trophy shell, guys, but this one is beautiful as well. It's got all them hop-up parts that make the car look like a proper street machine. So, really happy about that. And I think, you know what, that's going to look awesome in vids, guys. So stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to have the R8s. But what I am looking to do is convert a drift car. Now, drift cars normally have a wheelbase between 90 and 94 mil. Pretty hard to find ones that are 98 mil. I had one, which actually was an R8, the Phoenix version that came as an all-wheel drive car. And then recently I've been looking for another one. Hard to find, guys, but managed to find the Honda Civic in white, the Type R. That's a 98mm wheelbase, which is the LL version. So that's pretty cool. So I've got two wide cars. I'd like to go up R8s against Ferraris, Lambos, the longer, bigger performance street sport cars. So that's something that I am looking to do, guys. And yeah, I've said this throughout my series. There's certain cars that just have the look, and they could stay on that display stand all day long, and that has kind of smashed it. To say I like my stuff a lot more flamboyant, a lot more, you know, I like the colours to be a lot more vivid. You know, I like the decals, artwork on the car. To say that is pretty bland compared to what I normally like, but it's got the look, it's pulled it off. So yep, pretty cool. And check out the pink Illuminous Renault Megane shell, because that's beautiful as well. Okay guys, so here we've got this beautiful shell. It's actually exceeded my expectations, guys. Proper happy with that. Apart from the fact that there's the headlight light covers are missing, everything else is perfect. And I might mod that anyway, so we'll see. But if you've been following my series, guys, you know that there was a body shell I'd been after for a long time, and it was a trophy. It was a Renault Megane RS trophy, the first version, and that looked so cool. And all I could ever find was the older version, well, the newer version, this version here. Not like this though. If you have a look at it, type it up, the stock version on the Meganes that they brought out are so bland, so rubbish. I mean, it's a decent looking car, but it doesn't shout out, it doesn't say nothing to me, guys. So this has the Hero Aero parts on it, which is an upgrade where you basically take a stock basic shell, you have all the parts, you have a front bumper, you have the side, you know, sills, you've got the rear bumper and diffuser mixed in, and sometimes a spoiler as well. So someone's taken that away, and you know, they would have taken the Megane as a white body shell, and they would have glued all these bits on, sprayed it up as a black and pink, which I think looks cool. I probably will carbon fibre some part of the side of that to have a bit of black running on the side, on the indented bit, and maybe a little bit on the roof. I'll see, but it just needs a bit more black on it, I think. Decals, I'm not sure, but that is a beautiful pink. That is really nice. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it looks really cool. And again, the alloy wheels underneath it looks alright. Black deep dish alloy wheels, like the ones that are on the Audi LM GL Racing Audis. The ones that I've had my bids, guys, the gold one and the silver one with the Daffy Duck thing on it. Them wheels will be perfect under there. Yeah, black wheels will look beautiful under there. I am so impressed with that shell. And again, rare, because yeah, it didn't come out of the factory like that. So that's been modded, and it's been a good. Most of the times someone's modded something, I don't like the colour, I don't like the way they've done it. This is the first one I've come across, and I thought, I actually like that. That looks so cool, so unique. It looks like a beast, man. And you know me, guys, I love blown out fenders, air ducts, diffusers, everything that makes the car look like a monster, man, like a beast. You know, I love bits sticking out here and there, man. It just adds to the animal, and that has got it right. I just think a bit more black on the sides and the top, and black wheels, and maybe, I'm not sure, but if there's some decals that will complement the body shell, I might stick them on. But if not, pretty happy with that, guys. I mean, I went for the Audi, but I really wanted the wheels, but I saw that as well, and I thought, if that is, I mean, it didn't look like that in the pictures. I thought, if that looks like how I think it looks, it's going to be cool, and it has looked like that. Normally, you see something, and when you get it, you think, oh man, they're good. The bits didn't, you know, it didn't look like the pic, you know. But this, yeah, man, awesome. And that pink is a beautiful pink. It's nice. They've got it right. In the sunlight, that pink will start to really come out. So pretty cool. Really happy with that, guys. Stay tuned for that. Once I've modded it up a little bit and mossified it, you're gonna see it, guys, in the vids. And you know what? The original trophies were my favourite, but this one's blown them out of the water, man. Really, I mean, I'm that impressed with this one. Nice. But as I didn't really like the new shells at all. But yeah, they need to do more like that, guys. Look at that rear fender, man. Beautiful. And that spoiler, oh, loving it, man. I don't know if you guys are into the same stuff as me, but to me, that's awesome. Who's riding around with a blooming scooter, man? Okay, right. Let's move on.